So what is force?
What is it?
Force is strength or energy due to physical action or movement.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So what kind of forces are there?
What kind?
There's the strong interaction force, the electromagnetic force, the weak force, and the gravitational force. So what's the strong interaction force?
What is it?
It's a very strong force, but very short range. It's responsible for holding nuclei of atom together. It is basically attractive, but in some cases it could be repulsive also. What's the electromagnetic force?
What is it?
Electromagnetic force causes electric and magnetic effects such as the repulsion between electrical charges or interaction of bar magnets. So what's the weak force?
What is it?
It is responsible for the radioaction decay and neutron interactions. It has a very short range.
Oh.
As its name indicates, it is very weak. So what's the gravitational force?
What is
It is weak but very long range.
it?
Furthermore, it is always attractive and can be any two pieces of matter in the universe since mass is its source. That's all.
Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion. This is the second law of motion. The more force, the more acceleration. This is the third law of motion. Every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. End.
Today, we are going to be learning about non-perpendicular and perpendicular NEF. The first one we're going to be learning is about the non-perpendicular. First step you're going to be doing is drawing a free body diagram. Your frictional force is 20 newtons. Your gravitational force is 9.8 newtons. Your normal force is 20 newtons. Your acceleration force, which is non-perpendicular, is 40 newtons at 60 degrees. Your second step is that you're going to be doing is, for the horizontal, you're going to do 40 cos 60 equals 20. Vertical, 40 sine 60 equals 34.64. Going to leave all of this the same for your other free body diagram. And you're going to add 34.64 and 20 newtons. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the 34.64 and you're going to subtract it by 20, and that will equal 14.6. Then you're going to add both of these up here and get 40 minus your gravitational force, which is 9.8, that will equal 30.2. Your next step is that you're going to be drawing the resultant triangle. You're going to be finding the NEF and the data. Now you're going to be doing Pythagorean theorem to find the NEF. Well, the side. You're going to take 14.6 squared plus 30.2 squared equals c squared. Then you're going to take 1,125.2 square root it, and you're going to get 33.54, which equals c. Now for your angle, you're going to get tan equals 30.2 over 14.6, because it's opposite over adjacent. And that equals 26 degrees. Your final step is that your NEF equals 33.54 newtons at 26 degrees north of east. Your perpendicular. Good job, guys. Now you learned about non-perpendicular. Well, now we're going to be learning about perpendicular. Your first step, you're going to be drawing the free body diagram. 40 newtons for your frictional force, 40 newtons for your normal force, 9.8 for your gravitational force, and 60 newtons for your acceleration force. Now you're going to break it up. The horizontal, right minus left, and that will equal 60 minus 40 equals 20. Your vertical is up and down. 40 minus 9.8 equals 30.2. Resultant triangle. Your NEF and data are missing. To find the side, you're going to do Pythagorean theorem. 30.2 plus 20 squared equals c squared. That will equal 18,640.8 will equal c squared. You're going to square root that, and you're going to get 136.5 newtons. For your angle, you're going to take the inverse of tangent, and that will equal 30.2 over 20, and that will equal 56.5 degrees. Your NEF will equal 136.5 newtons at 56.5 going north of east. Hope you guys had fun learning today. Remember, physics is not that boring. It's pretty fun to learn. Alright, bye guys.